Today we will be installing the All American Windshield on a Yamaha Drive 2.
Do it yourself, go-kart. Do it yourself, go-kart. Do it yourself, go-kart. It's the one-stop shop for installing car parts.
To start off this project, we are going to be placing the rubber grommets in the 4 holes in the lower half of the windshield. Once all the grommets are in place, we are going to place the metal spacer inside the grommet to protect the rubber from the bolt threads. Now we will place the windshield onto the cart. Be sure that it is in the right orientation. When you have it in the right place, we're going to place the bolts through all the holes to hold the windshield in place as we go through and tighten all the bolts. With the windshield in place, we're going to install the clips that were provided in the kit. Be sure to line them up with the cutout on the top of the windshield to ensure the best fit. With the clips installed, you are now done with the installation of your new windshield.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for all your golf car parts and accessories, check out DIYgolfcart.com and make sure to check out our other videos.